Hello and welcome MSJC Eagles. This is Ty Pham, counselor with the EOPS and CARE program, here to share some information with you today for our EOPS and CARE program. And if you feel at the end of this video that you are eligible for our program, I highly encourage any one of you to apply. So before we begin, I'm going to share my screen and how you would access our website. So from the MSJC website here, I'm going to hover over the departments, and then down here, I'm going to click on the EOPS link. And then from here, I'm going to check out some of the services and benefits that we offer to our students in EOPS. I'm not going to highlight all of them. I'm going to highlight some of the key ones that I feel like will be very beneficial to our students. So the first one is academic, career, and personal counseling. We have a team of wonderful counselors in our program who are here to not only guide you on your academic journey, but also on your career and personal journey as well. So if you have something that you want to discuss that isn't academic related, you can always talk to one of our counselors and we are here to help you. The next part that I want to highlight is priority registration. So all of our EOPS students will receive priority registration. And what this means is that you get the very first registration date when it comes to registering for your courses. This is going to be very important when you need to register for courses that are very competitive in various programs. The next service I want to talk about is our EOPS book grant. So for our qualified students in our program, you will receive some financial resources to help purchase some of your books and materials based on your financial aid unmet need. Again, that is something that we will go over with you once you are in our program. The other two services that I want to go over is the Student Government Association sticker, or SGA, along with the parking permit and the transportation fee. Again, if you're eligible for these services, again, you will not have to worry about these fees or paying for these fees or paying a fraction of these fees, which can help down the line. And the last service in our EOPS program that I want to highlight is our university fee waivers. So for any of our EOPS students who are interested in transferring to a Cal State or a UC and to pursue their bachelor's degree, it does cost a fee to apply to these schools, and we will cover some of those application fee waivers to an X amount of schools. Again, we will let you know once you are in our program. So let's take a look at how you would, the eligibility requirements to be a part of our EOPS program here. So the first part is to be a California resident or meet the AB 540 or the California Dream Act requirement, be a full-time student, which is 12 units or more, unless you have a waiver for allowing you to take less units, qualifying to receive the Board of Governors fee waiver, A or B, which is now called the California Promise Grant, A or B, and you have not completed more than 60 degree applicable units. I know that on the page it says 45, but we're working on changing that to 60 degree applicable units. The next program I want to highlight is our CARE program. So for our CARE program, this is geared for our single parents who have a child that is under the age of 18. Again, those that are eligible for this program can receive the following additional services alongside with the EOPS services. So for our CARE students can also receive automotive maintenance or repair grants, a child care grant, a graduation pack, gas cards and meal cards, and assistance with books and some supplies. Again, these are going to be based on your financial aid unmet need, which is something that we will go over with you once you are in our program. So let's take a look at how you can apply to be a part of your EOPS or CARE family. So over here, I'm going to click apply. So in order to apply for our program, you will need to send an email to our EOPSoffice@msjc.edu for an application, and we are still receiving applications until August 31st. So if you feel that you are eligible for our program, I highly recommend that you email us at EOPSoffice@msjc.edu for an application, so that way you can get the ball rolling and reserve your spot to be a part of our program. Okay, so that concludes my talk with you. Again, I am very happy and anxious to meet all of you that are going to be a part of our program. Again, if you do have questions, please email us at EOPSoffice@msjc.edu. Have a good day, and again, welcome Eagles.